Mother used to take me and my sister downtown to Lazarus. That was the big trip on a Saturday morning. She'd drive down with gloves. The only appropriate way to go to Lazarus, I imagine. But I was never allowed to go south of Hall's Hardware on High Street.
And why was that?
Bad things happened south of that, particularly down in that German Village area, which was a little bit seedy back in the 50s. Occasionally I'd get glimpses of it, but it probably wasn't until I was in law school up at Ohio State that I actually began to experience and to appreciate more greatly what was going on down here. We'll always have the dynamic challenge of commercial versus residential balance. We're also seeing a tension between suburbanites now wanting to come to German Village and bringing with them some of their suburban memories oriented more toward motor vehicles. That has related to pressures on parking on the streets and probably some architectural shifts toward more people building or squeezing in garages. And generally it is a tension between what is and what might be because of changing goals of new people coming in, tensions between the residential balance with the commercial balance. All of those, I think, are a very healthy tension. It helps people focus on the why and the wherefore for German Village, how we live, how we want to live together in community down here.